What is up, everyone? Artisan Toys Review here with another diecast car review, and today we have something big here, which is the Hot Wheels Super Rigs, which is the Road Roller. So I basically bought this because, you know why? There's a bone shaker in here, which is nice. I know this is kind of like a fantasy truck, but still it looks cool, and I like the color though. Looks great. I don't normally collect the super rigs. I normally collect the smaller ones, such as the Mercedes Actros. You might remember one of my reviews about the Actros. I used to collect those types, but since I found a bone shaker, I decided to buy this one. So let's take a look at the back. The back, you can see some classic trucks right here. I call them classic because these trucks are kind of old, but they changed the packaging, I think. Most of the trucks are old. I had this one, this Speedway hauler in a blue color, but now it changed to white, I guess. Yeah, so let's open this up. Let me put the truck first. I'll show both. I'll show them one by one. You know what? Let's start with the truck first. I'll put the bone shaker on the turntable first. Here's the truck. Oh my. So here's the truck. It's in a kind of bright orange. It's more of a orange color, kind of like the fruit, which is pretty cool. I really like the design, overall design. So you have of course, the truck and the cab. This is detachable, by the way. There you go. It is detachable. So let's take a look at the truck first. Here's the truck. It is in orange and black, which is nice. You have the basic wheels here for the fantasy castings. You know these type of wheels if you're a fantasy collector or some sort. Then you have the front. The front looks a bit well, it's less detailed. First, you don't have the front lights, which I don't know where's the front lights actually. I think these are the front lights, but not colored. I have no idea. You have the grill here, and then you have the kind of like exhaust pipes here too. And then you have this kind of like skull with flames. It's kind of like in yellow. And then I'm not sure if this is a 00 or 80, because you know, when it's a 0, it sometimes have that cross in the middle. So kind of looks like an 88 or a 00. You have the roof. The roof is it doesn't have any window or anything, so this is an open kind of roof. Let's see, this black part is plastic, of course, because it connects to the back right here. So yeah, this black part is plastic, of course. The base, okay, I think it's plastic as well. The only metal part is this part, the orange part. Anything orange here is metal. Even this part's metal. Let's take a look at the base for this truck first. Made in Thailand. What is that? Rapid Road Roller. Yes, Road Roller. So the truck is named Road Roller. Hold on, you can see. 2013 Mattel. So this is kind of like an old truck, actually. I didn't know that. Okay, interesting. We've seen the truck. Now let's take a look at the back here. Don't you roll away, please. I know your name is Road Roller, but don't roll away. So here's the back. Of course, plastic. I don't think so there's any metal parts here. Yeah, it's mostly plastic here. You have the big cover here. It's in orange. You have you have a lot of the skull with flames here. And then you have the Hot Wheels logo, which is kind of like in flames as well. I like the blue and orange, orangish yellow combination for the left side. And for the right side, you actually have a glimpse of the front part of the bone shaker, which is great. So this car is actually meant for the bone shaker. I mean the back right here. What's interesting is the color of the bone shaker seems different at this front part right here, because the original bone shaker which comes with it seems a bit different, and the wheels are also different. I don't know why. That's how Mattel does it. This bone shaker keeps wanting to follow. Oh yeah, this opens, by the way, but somehow it does not open the whole way. It only opens half. So kids, you have to imagine to lift your car up. Oh yeah, the bone shaker fell. So what you have to do is you need to lift it a bit, so you need to give it a help. So it fits perfectly. It doesn't really crash. It does crash a bit, but yeah, it fits perfectly in there. Nice. I think you can open the back. I have no idea. I tried to open these two of the latches, but this part seems hard to pop out. So yeah, interesting back. Yeah, cool little cool back. I won't put the back and the trailer on the. I won't put both of them. I would try to put both on the turntable, but I'm sure it won't fit. Next, we'll for some reason. Here's the bone shaker. Okay, it doesn't fall anymore. Hopefully. Here's the bone shaker in what color is this? It's more like a greenish blue. It's kind of light. It's a light green of some sort. You have the same design as the truck on the side, which is the skull with the flame, and you have the same number, so it's basically almost the same as the front of the truck, which is interesting. And you have the normal wheels that you have in the bone shaker. Has like a chrome interior, which is great. Let's see, 2000, what's that, 2005? Yeah, 2005 Mattel. made in Thailand bone shaker. So looks like this one also is made in Thailand for the Hot Wheels trucks with the car. So they are all made in Thailand. Interesting. I thought only car cultures were made in Thailand, but so the super rigs are also made in Thailand, which is not bad. I like what they're doing right now with the car cultures and whatnot. Good. Yeah. That's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my other reviews. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and do leave a like on this video. See you soon. Bye bye.